In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing an easy way on how you can download code from Lovable AI without GitHub. Now, first thing you need to do is you want to go to Lovable and then scroll down, and then here you will be able to see all the projects you have. Now I'm going to click on this one I created just 1 minute ago. Now you can see here the preview. As you can see, build something, Lovable, create beautiful apps, websites by chatting with AI. Now what you need to do is you want to find here, just keep scrolling here, you will be able to see the prompt you have used. Just keep scrolling until you find here preview here, latest, and then you will be able to see here code. Now if you click here on code, you will be able to copy the whole code here. Okay, you can just highlight the whole code, and then you can open it. You can also click on here on open in code editor, and then you will be able to copy all the code here. Okay, I know that it's a little bit harder compared to if you have linked your GitHub. It's way easier. So without GitHub, the only option you have here is this one. Now you will be able to see the code here, and you will be able to download it here. In the top right, it says here download file. You can download the file here. As you can see, it's downloaded. If you click on it, you will be able to see here all the code, as you can see here. So hopefully this tutorial helps you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. See you in the next tutorial. Please drop a like. See you in the next tutorial.